A very good afternoon right here from the center of London. Here is an update of how the Nigerian Stock Exchange has been today. It's been a busy morning. Prices have been going up and down. There have been various exchanges just this afternoon. Some stocks started very strongly. RB Mortgage Bank has had a good day. It's been up and is still up by 6.8%. Alal Equity Trust, Equity ETF also has been up. It's been up by 4%. ICO Insurance also has been one of the gainers. It's been up by 0.22%. And the Dangote Sugar currently is down by 0. Let me check the market. These are live updates. Even though I'm here in London, but with technology now, you can see what is happening on the floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange from here. So, First City Merchant Bank has been one of the top gainers for today. It's been up by 0.65%. First City Merchant Bank is been up. GTCO is currently down. Is currently down by 1.95%. Access Holdings, the parent body of Access Bank, is currently up by 0.41%. So that's how the market is. But let me give you further updates of how the market is shaping up. Austin Lars currently is down by 9.93%. So if you're holding Austin Lars, this is time you probably want to buy to get more because it is down. Remember, you buy more of your position when that stock is down in value. You don't sell them except you are desperate for money. You buy when the value of shares are down. So if you have Austin Lars or you're behind Austin Lars, for instance, this is the time you can do buying. Okay? And the Academy Press is currently at 0%. It's not up, it's not down. So it's also a good time. C&I Leasing, they had their AGM yesterday. It's currently up by 0.78%. So that is that. Living Trust Mortgage Bank is at 0%. It's not up, it's not down. MTN, that very famous telecommunication provider that everybody in Nigeria knows. MTN is currently at 0%. It's going for 800 naira. So you're not doing bad or you're not doing good. If you want to get your hand on MTN, these are live prices. Nigeria Exchange Group, the share price is down by 1.75%. UAC is currently at 0%. You know, these are live prices from the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Like I said, technology has blurred the line. Even though I'm here in London, Victoria, but these are things happening on the floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Right now, Transcorp Hotels is 0%. It's not up, it's not down. TIP Initiatives, it's down by 3.12%. Right, okay. And then aluminum extraction, it is also 0%. It's not up, it's not down. ICO Insurance is currently down in value. It's currently bearish by 1.3%. Beggar Paint, if you have Beggar Paint, this is not the time to sell because it is at 0%. It is not bear and it is not bullish. RT Briscoe, it is not bearish and it is also not bullish. It is at 0%, selling for going for 12.65 naira. So 12.65 now. That is how Briscoe. It's not up, it's not down. So it depends on you, whatever you want to do. But that is it. Now you have Cadbury. Cadbury is at 0%. It is not up. It is not down as well. So it's going currently for 69 naira. Cadbury, that famous name, Cadbury, it is 0%. It is not bearish and it's also not bullish. There's the champion bearish is also at 0%. It is neither up nor down. So this happens. Remember, position of stock market can change in the twinkle of an eye. But currently, champion bearish is at 0%. It is neither up nor down. It's selling for 13 naira 20 kobo. Cornerstone Insurance. Cornerstone Insurance is currently at 0%. It is neither bullish nor bearish. So 5 naira. Cornerstone Insurance is going for 5 naira. Fidelity. If you have Fidelity shares and you want to make quick bucks, this is the time, because currently Fidelity Bank, the share price is up in value by 2.31%. So if, for instance, you have 2,000 units of Fidelity Bank shares and you want to make money, now you can instruct your stockbroker. Remember, prices can change anytime, but currently Fidelity Bank is up by 2.31%. So if, for instance, you want to sell, this is the time you can dispose of part of your Fidelity holding. If, let's say, I have 2,000 units of Fidelity, I can instruct my stockbroker, sell 1,000 units because now it is up in value. And remember, with the new settlement date, your money is credited to your CSCS account tomorrow. There is now T+1. The rule have changed earlier this month. Before, you used to wait for 3 days between when a stock is sold to when your money is credited. Later, it went to T+2, but of recent, it is now T+1. So if your stock price, if your shares are sold today, tomorrow, your money will be in your account. So Fidelity Bank is doing good now. It's up in value by 2.31%. Like I said, Guarantee Trust Company, GTCO, the holding body of Guarantee Trust Bank, the parent body, is currently down by 1.85%, 1.95%. It's selling for 133 naira at the moment. Let's see. Dangote Sugar, like I said, Dangote Sugar is down by 0.19% as we speak. So if you want to buy Dangote Sugar stock, this is the time, because remember, when a stock goes down in value, that is when you buy. So if, for instance, I've got 10 units of Dangote Sugar and I want to get additional 20, this is the time you come in, because it is down in value. You don't sell when your position is down. Now Dangote Sugar is down. And also, I must add this, Dangote Sugar, if you're already a shareholder in Dangote Sugar Refinery, the right issue is on. They're doing right issue. So you must have received communication from your stockbroker or from the company or from the registrar of Dangote Sugar Refinery. The right issue is up. They want to raise money. And when a company is raising money, they give opportunity to existing shareholders to first take advantage. So that's why they offer rights issue. So for a number of shares you hold, you get one free. I think for Dangote Sugar Refinery, you need to check, but you must have received communication. If not, speak to your stockbroker. If you are already a shareholder of Dangote Sugar Refinery, speak to your stockbroker, because the right issue is currently on, and it's going to close on the 24th of this month, which is next week. But as we speak, Dangote Sugar, the share price is down by 0.19%. So this is the time you can get in. If, for instance, you want to get more Dangote Sugar. Okay, all right. International Energy, it's been taking a bad trend since yesterday. The share price of International Energy Insurance Company has been battered from yesterday. It is down now at 10%. You know, a couple of minutes ago, I got some for my position as well. So if you want to get, for instance, international energy insurance or shares, you can take advantage now because it is down by 10%. So that's a good place to come in. Japan Gold and Ventures is down by 2.31%. Mutual benefit insurance, it is down by 2.99%. Remember this, if you want to get into a position, you go in when the share value of those stocks are down. So mutual benefit is down. PZ is currently 0%. It's not up, it is not down. So that's the universal insurance is down by 0.999%. So if you want to get universal insurance shares, that is it. Eternal Oil, EcoBank is currently at 0%. It's neither up nor down. So if you want EcoBank shares, you may want to come in because it's not losing value and it's not gaining value. First City Merchant Bank, FCMB, First City Merchant Bank is currently up by 0.41%. So this is a good time if you want to sell, if you're a shareholder of First City Merchant Bank and you want to sell. This is a time you can sell. I sold some of my position as well because it is currently up by 0.45%. First City Merchant Bank is currently up. Access Holdings is also up by 0.41%. If, for instance, Access Holdings, the parent company of Access Bank, the share value is up at the moment by 0.41%. So that is that. Gain Insurance, it's at 0%. It's at 0%. It's not up, it's not down. So if you have Gain Insurance, that is the current situation of Gain Insurance. It is not up. Guinness Nigeria, Guinness is at 0. It's not up, it's not down, it's not doing badly in the market. At least it's not taking a bad change. So it's at 0%. Guinness Nigeria stock prices is at 0. So that is good for Guinness. Honeywell flour is also at 0%. It is not up, it is not down. So Honeywell is really also good at the moment. Jais Bank has been doing well. They reported some profit of recent, but currently it is down by 1.1% in the stock market. So Jais Bank is down. Royal Exchange Insurance, if you have Royal Exchange Insurance shares, this is a good time for you. Your share is doing very well. Right now, Royal Exchange is doing well. It is over 9% in value. That is really good. NEM Insurance, it is also at 0%. It is not up, it is not down. So that is NEM Insurance. For Sovereign Trust, I'll be coming to First Holding very soon. Sovereign Trust is doing well. It's doing well. Okay, it's not up, it's not down. Lasaco is okay. First Holding, let me first take care of business myself because First Holding is up by 0.08%. I'm going to get rid of some of my position. First Holding, that's the parent company of First Bank of Nigeria. In the morning, this morning it opened at 3.48% down. First Holding, this morning it started the market at 3.48% bearish. Now it is up in value by 0.08%. So positions change in the market. Position, as I've explained in the past, the stock market is like the weather. You can wake up like today. London weather was very good in the morning. It's still sunny. It is still okay now. So that's how the stock market is. It changes as the day goes by. First Holding is currently up by 0.08%. So that is good. So if you have First Holding Insurance or First Holding shares, for instance, this is a good place if you wanted to sell. For instance, if you want to buy, this is not the time you're buying first or not at this moment because it is up in value. You buy when the value is down. You sell when the stock price is up. That's how to do. So that's it for lunchtime update. I hope you've been able to get something. So I'll see you very soon. So that is how it is. That is the position of the Nigeria stock market. Let me check Zenith before going. Zenith Bank, how is Zenith doing? Zenith Bank, because I know it's a darling of investors. Nigeria Aviation Company, NACO, is also doing very well. It's up in value by 4.29%. NASCOM is at 0%. It's neither up nor down. Okay, so Red Star Express is at 0%. It's neither up or down. Wema Bank is down in value by 1.12%. Wema Bank is down in value by 1.12%. Zenith Bank is currently bearish. Zenith Bank is down by 0.77%. So Neso Nigeria, that's the last I'm going to take for now. Neso shares are not doing badly. They are neither bearish nor bullish. It's at 0.00%. So that is Neso for you. Wema Bank, like I said, Wema Bank is 1.12% down at this moment. Zenith Bank is down in value by 0.77%. It's selling from 122 naira 55p. So that's Zenith Bank for you. Sterling Financial, that one is down in value by 1.95%. Sterling Financial. Okay, Oando, yes, Oando is doing good now. In the morning, Oando started today. Oando closed yesterday. Let me see. Oando closed yesterday. Oando was battered yesterday. It closed at 9.48%. Now, Oando is up by 4.18%. Let me dispose of some of my position. Oando is up. Oando is up by 4.18. Right. It's now going for 49.80. That's Oando. Let me see what it opened this morning. Oando oil opened this morning at 48 naira, but now it's going for 49.80. So I'm going to dispose of some of my position. Right. So I'm selling now because the value has gone up. In the morning, when it opened this morning, I did some buying, but now the value of Oando is up, so I can sell some of what I have in my position. It's sending my order now. So making a record of how I am doing. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining. I'll give you more updates later in the day. Thank you for now. I'll see you soon.